Hello, this is Davide Biocchi here from Italy, and we are here today to discuss about financial markets. First of all, in the morning we had very important data on flash PMI this morning, especially on services. Let's see France here, let's see Germany here, let's see European Union ones, and also the Great Britain's one. So the situation is really complicated because these data were published and they are really strongly below the expectation, as you can see here, and this is really not good for the economy. The markets did not react generally so bad. The prices remain more or less around the same level, but the Euro Stock 50 turned from gently positive to gently negative. So the situation is this, and also here we have the currency exchange, the euro dollar, that is not so impacted during the last day. This is a daily chart, but as we easily can see, we are now around this support that is 108, 10780, okay, and we have a clear support a little bit over 1.06 and two resistance here, more or less close to 110, and the next one will be this one. So we do not expect a big movement because the volatility is going down. As you can easily see, we had two big movements here, but then the volatility is really going down and down, and so now it seems we are not so impacted by this data. We expect also the initial claims today afternoon, and they will probably have again such a bad results in terms of number of millions of people asking for claiming for their situation, and this can impact the market. But if we go back to the last Thursday, what happened was that after that data, even if they were very bad, the market reacted boom, boom, boom up. So we can expect something similar even today, but let's see. What is important to say is that we have a clear situation, let me say, from the oil prices that are really terribly negative, and let's see that the situation on oil is really complicated. We have now the continuous future that is telling us that the price fell down very close to 6 after the terrible situation when it was minus 37, and now the price is trying to find a stability around $15 per barrel, but we will have again volatility later. So the situation is not so good as we said. It seems that the financial markets are, let me say, waiting for something, and I think that this thing that they are waiting is data. Market needs data to know when this situation will end, data to know what was the impact, really, the real impact in the economy, so that they can decide if they have to grow up again or they have to come down again. The problem is that in the meanwhile, the volumes traded in the market went really down, the volatility came down, and let me say also the volume traded went terribly down, especially on such market like Italy, where we have a very strong short ban, so no choice to go short on stocks and on indices, and the volumes are becoming really thin, really poor. So this is something that we need. Today there is also the meeting in the European Union to decide about maybe recovery bonds, maybe the ESM decisions. So something we need to know, and the market wants to know because they have to go through. So this is what I can see right now. Bye bye from David from Italy. Ciao ciao, see you soon.